do-do-do. Welcome to the show, a world of color ready to glow. I'd hop out of bed on a rainbow cloud. My shoes go squeak and my hat's so proud. My pillow whispers secrets in my ear, says come on kid, the fun starts here. I tiptoe past a giggling sun, where painted birds run and hop and hum. Every corner adds a brand new smile. In this silly town we stretch for miles. Welcome to Cartoon World. Come alive, where every laugh and dream will jive, spin around with silly friends. Woo! In Cartoon World the fun never ends. Yeah. I ride a pogo stick down Candy Lane, past dancing bears and bubble rain. A cupcake castle winks hello, and marshmallow clouds say let's all go. I wave to frogs who wear top hats. They juggle jelly beans and do cool spats. In every scene there's something new, a wacky twist around each view. Welcome to Cartoon World. Come alive, where every laugh and dream will jive, spin around with silly friends. Cartoon World, the fun never ends. Ooh. Let's whirl, bippity-bopping the swirl. Scat it out with me, steely-doo-wah-wah. Woo! Come dance right through, giggle with the frog, sing with a cat, flip-flop beats on this jazzy mat. From here to there and back again, we'll spin this tune until the end. Welcome to Cartoon World. Come alive, where every laugh and dream will jive, spin around with silly friends. Cartoon World, the fun never ends. Ha! Cartoon World says goodbye for now, but come on back, we'll show you how.